Activation of child lock for front-loading washing machine. Press the option buttons. Rinse and spin simultaneously for 3 seconds. A beeper will sound and CL will appear momentarily on the LED display. When the child lock is set, all the buttons are locked except the power button. Note: turning off the power will not reset the child lock function. You must deactivate child lock before you can access any other functions. To deactivate the child lock option, press the rinse plus spin button simultaneously for 3 seconds. A beeper will sound and the remaining time for the current program will appear on the LED display.